Hey guys, this is Canon MAXIFY GX4050 4000 series. I want to show you how to reset this printer. Go to the settings, select printer settings, scroll down all the way to reset settings. It will show you web service setup only, lines setting only, telephone number only, settings only. You scroll down, email address book entry only, fax setting only, reset all. Once you reset all, you need to reconnect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Select reset all. All fax documents in memory will be deleted. Then you select OK. Reset setting, yes or no. Then you select yes. Please wait momentarily. The process is taking place. Processing, please wait momentarily. Completed the following: reset setting, reset all, then select OK. Fast setting has been reset, then select OK. Then you go back, and if you look on the printer, if you select on the Wi-Fi network, it will show you Wi-Fi setup not complete. Refer to the manual to connect your computer or smartphone via Wi-Fi network. You can also set up Wi-Fi from LAN setting on the printer. Then you select OK. If you go back to Canon Print app, so go to Canon Print app. It will show you the printer is offline. Check printer connection offline. It's also showing us the printer available for setup. The printer is available to set up. You can add the printer again. This is how to reset this printer. Likewise, if you go to the mobile phone, this printer was connected to the mobile device earlier on. If you go to Canon Print app, you open up the Canon Print app, it's processing. It will show you that the printer is offline. So this is how to reset this printer. It's no longer available on the app. If you want to connect it to the app, then you need to add it to Wi-Fi network, then add it to your mobile phone or computer. Thank you very much indeed. This is how to reset this printer.